Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest information and solutions for fire safety. Today, we're going to dive into the world of fire alarm monitoring services and how they can provide you with round-the-clock protection for your property. Let's get started. As a business owner or property manager, you understand the importance of keeping your property and occupants safe from fire hazards. That's where fire alarm monitoring services come in. They act as a vigilant guardian, constantly keeping an eye on your fire alarm system and ensuring immediate response in case of an emergency.
Fire alarm monitoring services are designed to provide continuous surveillance of your fire alarm system. This means that even when you're not on site, trained professionals are monitoring your system 24/7. In the event of an alarm activation, they receive an immediate notification and can quickly assess the situation.
These monitoring centers are equipped with state-of-the-art technology and staffed by highly trained operators. They are always ready to respond swiftly to any alarm signal they receive. This immediate response can make a significant difference in minimizing damage and saving lives. Let's talk about the benefits. Firstly, with fire alarm monitoring, you have peace of mind knowing that your property is protected, even when you're away. Whether it's a small business, a residential building, or a large commercial complex, the monitoring service ensures that help is on the way as soon as an alarm is triggered.
Having a fire alarm monitoring service gives me confidence that if something goes wrong, the experts will be alerted immediately. It's an invaluable layer of protection for my property and everyone inside.
Another advantage of fire alarm monitoring services is the reduction in false alarms. The monitoring professionals are trained to distinguish between genuine emergencies and false alarms, which helps prevent unnecessary disruptions and saves valuable time for emergency responders. When emergency responders are dispatched promptly, the chances of containing a fire and preventing further damage increase significantly. Fire alarm monitoring services ensure that the response time is minimized, enabling firefighters to arrive faster and take control of the situation before it escalates. So there you have it, fire alarm monitoring services provide round-the-clock protection for your property. With constant surveillance, immediate response, and reduced false alarms, you can rest assured that your property and the people inside are in safe hands. If you're interested in learning more about fire alarm monitoring services, or if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable fire safety tips. Stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video.